Hi everyone, my name is Sara Lev and I am excited to be facilitating a webinar called Introduction to Early Childhood Project-Based Learning. I have been an early childhood teacher for 17 years, a classroom teacher here in Los Angeles, California in the United States. And I have found that project-based learning is the most powerful instructional approach. It is inspiring and engaging and really effective in our work with our youngest learners. 2 years ago, I transitioned out of the classroom to work more full-time connecting with early childhood teachers and school leaders and supporting them in developing and implementing projects in their classrooms. I am also the co-author of the book, Implementing Project-Based Learning in Early Childhood, Overcoming Misconceptions and Reaching Success. And my work now is really to continue to do this, to bring PBL into early childhood spaces in communities and schools around the world. So I'm really grateful for this opportunity to be working with all of you and getting the chance to meet you all. So if you are new to project-based learning, or what we call PBL, PBL is an approach, an instructional approach, where young children take an active role in their learning. They develop key knowledge and skills and dispositions that lead them to become more independent and collaborative. PBL really empowers young children to learn and discover fundamental lessons about themselves and the world around them. It can also inspire you as educators to really draw on your natural abilities to design engaging and relevant units of study, tying learning to student interests and questions, and just creating joyful learning communities. Teaching through project-based learning can really be invigorating and freeing. So in this 2-hour introductory workshop on early childhood PBL, you can expect to deepen your understanding of some foundational principles of PBL, including learner-centered practices. And we will share strategies, really practical strategies that you can take away and use with your children to help you to really start to leverage student interests and questions along with your own observations, and then to help you to start visualizing a project for your classes. So together, I hope you'll join me. We will also delve into what we call our early childhood project planning outline. And this is a unique tool that we use to design projects. It really gives teachers a flexible approach to planning that meets the needs of young children. So I really hope you'll join me for this introductory webinar about early childhood project-based learning. I'm looking forward to meeting you all and connecting with you then. Take care.